Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to unbox the Liberty 3 Pros from Soundcore. So big thanks to Soundcore for sending these out to review. So before we get into the unboxing, I just want to give you some specs on this. So these do come in at a price of $169.99. They do come in a couple different colors. The color I have here is Midnight Black. However, they do come in Dusk Purple as well, Fog Gray, and Frost White. So they do have some information on their website about the headphones here. So it does have ACAA 2.0. It says our exclusive coaxial dual driver technology delivers high and low frequency sound directly to your ear without interference. Its wide sound stage is detailed and spacious. Bass has a deep punch. Mids are luscious and treble sparkles. Has personalized noise canceling, so has standard noise canceling, only adjusts noise based on data. Hear ID ANC analyzes your ears and level of in-ear pressure to create a tailored profile that optimizes noise reduction and reduces external sounds to suit your needs. Has a Fusion Comfort Fit, so the Liberty 3 Pro's earbuds have a triple point ergonomic shape and built-in ear pressure relief for all-day comfort. 4 sizes of liquid silicone ear tips and flexible ear wings ensure you get a strong seal and secure grip. It also includes 32 hours of playtime, which is really crazy. Enjoy up to 8 hours of music from a single charge, plus 3 full charges from the compact charging case that's included to extend the playtime even further. Recharge the case via USB-C cable or with a wireless charger, which I absolutely love. That's a great feature to have. Now, it does say also, due to overwhelming demand, your order may be shipped out on or after December 31st, 2021. So these are pretty popular, it looks like. Taking a quick look at our box, you can see we have Soundcore branding, Liberty 3 Pro. It says true wireless noise canceling earbuds, has high-res audio. It does say uncompromising treble and bass with exceptional comfort, ACAA 2.0, Hear ID, ANC, and up to 32 hours of total playtime. We have some regulatory stuff on the bottom here. On the side shows a picture of our drivers with the ACAA 2.0. Latest generation of our revolutionary coaxial dual driver technology delivers harmonious sound with even greater detail. On the back here gives you some more information about those things. So the Hear ID active noise canceling, I believe you would need the app for that. So you just search up Soundcore on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And then it includes in the box the headphones themselves, charging case, the 4 sizes of tips, the 4 sizes of ear wings, and the USB-C cable. And it is also you can also recharge wirelessly as well. On this side tells you about the 20 Grammy winning audio producers that are in coordination with Soundcore. And those are available on their other products as well. So before I unbox these, just want to let you know about this pair. So this is a pair that they sent me to review a while ago, the Liberty Air 2 Pro, and these are definitely some of my favorite headphones. I used these all during A school and they were fantastic. Now I do have AirPods Pro, but these just beat them completely as far as quality of sound because just the clarity of these, the bass, it just is incredible sound for these headphones. So I definitely have high expectations for these, so I can't wait to test these out. Let's unbox these and see what we get inside. And we open it up here, and as you can see on the left, it does tell you to get the perfect fit. So it tells you to select the ear tips and ear wings in a suitable size for your ears. Hold the buds in the position. Put the earbuds in your ear at this angle. So it tells you how to put it in. And then twist to lock in place. So it looks like you put it down in your ear canal and then just twist it, and it locks it into place. And then as you can see in the center, we have the 4 different tips that they offer, as well as the wings there. And then we have the headphones themselves. So you have this nice charging case as well as the buds. Now it looks like they don't actually come with any ear tips on them out of the box, so you just pick the ones that are going to fit you the best. So let me go ahead and do that. So, and this is the earbud itself, so it should be pretty simple to put these tips on. You just should just be able to slide them on here, and then it should just clip on into place like so. So it looks like we are good there. So and if you unfold it, you can see it is on there just fine. And then it does have one of the wings pre-installed. And here's our charging case real quick. We'll take a look at that. This is the Midnight Black color again. We do have the Soundcore logo up top that is nice and shiny. The rest of it is matte black. Do have a nice black shiny strip all the way around the casing. It is kind of like an egg shape, but still really small and pocketable. on the front, you can see we have 3 LEDs here, and that will indicate your battery life of the charging case. So if I press the button on the back right here, that will show that. It can also double as a pairing button as well if you hold down on it. On the back, you have the USB-C plug, and then of course we have wireless charging in this, so you don't have to use the plug if you don't want to. You can actually just place it on there and charge it wirelessly. And just to compare to the Liberty Air 2 Pro, this is the case from that. So that one is a little bit more squared. You open them very similarly. As you can see, they just flip right up and close just like that. And you can see the Liberty 3 Pro actually is a pretty thin case compared to that one. Just a different shape overall, but both are pretty pocketable and both have pretty similar features. As far as the charging case is concerned, it does have USB-C for charging, and they both have wireless charging as well. Now, in order to access our earbuds, all we do is just slide up like so, and we have both earbuds. You can see those both blinking here as we open that up. And taking this out, these are magnetic, so when you're done, you just simply place them in the case, and they should just align properly and start charging. They're a little different than Liberty Air 2 Pros, as they don't have a stock on them. But these are absolutely beautiful. I really like the color here. I don't know if you can see how they shine in the light. They have kind of this pearlescent coloring in here, as well as the silver trim around the earbuds. So they look really, really premium, and they just look absolutely gorgeous, I think. So just beautiful coloring. I would love to see how the others look, but the midnight black absolutely looks beautiful here. To use some of the features with these new headphones, you do need to download the Soundcore app. And once you download that, you will search for it, and it'll find it here, and then it'll pop up here and tell you about the ear tips. So it shows you the ear wings and the ear tips, and it can tell, I think it can tell which ones I use here. So select the ear tips and ear wings. There are 4 sizes of ear tips and ear wings provided with the Liberty 3 Pro. If you swipe here, it tells you how to install them. So it tells you in the packaging as well as on the app how to install them. Sliding across here, it'll tell you how to wear them properly. So you, of course, put them down and then slide them in. So that's actually helpful to have a little animation there. It also tells you, it gives you a description of how to install them as well, or how to wear them properly. Touch operation instructions. So it has 4 different gestures: so press, double press, triple press, and a long press. Press and triple press need to be enabled via the control feature in the app. So out of the box, you cannot use those 2 specific gestures. And then once you've done that, it says you've completed the start guide and got it. So you can already see right out of the box, we have a firmware update. It says it improves the transparency, call quality for high noisy environments, and power management. So we hit more. It tells you how big the update is and the version, and then it tells you what's new again. So we can do that really quick. Hit download and 100%, and then it tells you to install. So do not disconnect or play music while installing. Ensure the earbuds are placed in the charging case and that the case remains open until the firmware upgrade is complete, and keep earbuds within 0.5 meters of your phone. Leave them open like it says within 0.5 meters of distance and hit install here, and it'll go ahead and install. It says don't disconnect or play music while installing updates. So we'll go ahead and let that do its thing. Okay, so it looks like it is all done here. And taking a quick look at our app here, you can see we have a picture of the headphones right here. You can see our battery level of both earbuds as well as the case. We have our ambient sound, so we can choose between noise cancellation, normal, and transparency mode. We also have our Hear ID test, which will customize the active noise cancellation for you. We also have sound effects, which is for our equalizer. So we do have the Hear ID sound, so that will have a custom EQ tailored to you. 3D surround sound. So kind of like spatial audio on AirPods. We have our equalizer, so if you go in here, we have the default, which is Soundcore signature, but you have a bunch of different options to choose from here. And then if we go back, we also have a custom EQ, so if you want to actually do it yourself, you can go in and select each one of these and tailor it to yourself, and then save that custom EQ. Controls section, you can see we have a single tap, double tap, hold for 2 seconds, and tap 3 times. They have a couple default options in here, but you can go to each one of them and select from a list of pre-selected options. So you can go between volume down, volume up, next, play, pause, previous, your voice assistant, or the ambient sound, whether it's noise cancellation or transparency mode. And so you can go through each of these and change these to fit whichever you like if you don't like the defaults that they give you. Some more settings here. So you have your serial number. We have wearing detection. So there is a sensor in both earbuds that will detect whether it's in your ear or not. You have a device list, prompt tone, fit test, auto power off, which is defaulted to 30 minutes, as you can see there. Update firmware. So as you can see, we did actually have a firmware update when I did start the app for the first time. And you also can access that quick start guide again through more settings if you wanted to. And this is just to give you a quick idea of how these will look inside your ears. So this is how they look in my ears. Hopefully I put them in properly. I did follow their instructions. And the medium tip does seem to seal pretty well, as I can't really hear myself talking. So I think the noise cancellation is doing pretty good job so far. And this is just a quick side view just to show you how these are going to look. So I feel like these will definitely be good for activity, so for running or doing workouts, these should be great. First impressions after listening to these for a few minutes, listen to a couple of my favorite songs. These sound absolutely amazing. The bass is just absolutely clear and deep. Just, oh my God, I cannot even describe to you how good these sound. The seal on these is really good. You can still hear a little bit outside of these, but the noise cancellation is still pretty good, and I could tell that it was sealed pretty well. Now, I don't know what it is. The AirPods Pro still have really, really good noise cancellation compared to a lot of different earbuds, but these still have pretty good noise cancellation. The sound in these, of course, I think beats the AirPods Pro by far, just because it has so much clarity and the bass. So just listening to some bassy songs, which I absolutely love to do with new headphones, that just kind of gives me an idea of what I'm going to deal with. These just, oh my God, they're just so good. So first impressions, absolutely love these. Loving the case with these, really tiny case here. The fitment is pretty good with these headphones. They are a little strange, of course. As you can see, they got the wing on there to hold it in, but that is just to create a good seal. And I think that these would be good for activity, so for running or for doing exercise, I think they're going to be good for that. Anyway, guys, first impressions, really, really good. I'll definitely give you some more in my full review of these, so definitely stay tuned for that. So these are the Liberty 3 Pros. They come in at $170 right now. 4 different colors. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in checking these out. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick unboxing and first impressions of the Liberty 3 Pros. Any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll try to answer them as best I can. And stay tuned for that full review. See you guys in the next video.